Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. I thought I'd tell you about this Go pen I found a couple weeks ago. We found it at a tool store up in Sevierville. They do have it with a larger hose and smaller hose, but when I was looking at it, I thought it would make a good sifter for soil. Because every time you buy bags of garden soil or potting soil anymore, it seems like it's full of wood chips. I like this because it fit in a 5-gallon bucket, makes the soil easy to transfer around for uh, whatever you're needing it for, whether you're taking it to your garden or carrying it around to fill up your containers. Plus, you can keep the soil in those buckets for storage. Uh, that is used for panning gold, so it's not food grade. And I guess auto mechanics could use it too for when they're cleaning tools. Put their tools in it and they put it down whatever their cleaning fluid is, and then be able to lift it all out at one time. But I bought it to sift soil. Works really good for that. Comes in really handy. Uh, don't know a lot to tell you about it other than it is a lot cheaper. I just paid $10 for this, so it was a lot cheaper than going and trying to build a sifter. Time you buy the wood and the nails or screws and then the wire to put in it. And as I said, it makes it so much easier to transfer your soil around than trying to transfer it out of whatever you're sifting soil into and then into another container. But I wanted to share it with you, especially with the people with small gardens who don't have a lot of storage space, because you can store this inside the 5-gallon bucket. You don't have to worry about finding a place to put it. I will probably keep mine inside the 5-gallon bucket. That way I always know where it's at. Plus, it does have the handles. Makes it easy if you want to just stand there and shake it like they do in a pan gold, I guess. But to me, it was easier just to rake the soil around. As you can see from my video, the wood chips that's left in the soil, time you go through a bag, you have quite a bit. Plus, the wood chips come in handy to use as mulch on top of your containers or in your garden if you want to put it in your garden. I chose to use it just in the top of my containers. Plus the soil, once you get it sifted, if you're wanting to start new seeds, you can use that soil for that without having the wood chips in there, because the wood chips can cause mold in your seed beds. A lot of people don't realize that the mold can start. A lot of it starts because of the wood chips. But I wanted to share this with you. Thought it'd make a good garden tool. And as I said, it's not food grade, so don't use it with your food, to wash your food off before you take it in your house or anything like that, because it's not a kitchen tool. You want to get a colander for your kitchen to do that with, or some other kind of food grade container. I hope this comes in handy for somebody. As I said, it worked really well. Get those wood chips separated from my soil so I could get my plants put in the containers, because I've sort of let them go and I needed to get that done. So now I was able to, I had put it off and put it off because of the wood chips. Now I was able to get that done. But thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video, and you can check around tool stores or wherever they sell gold painting stuff to find this container or type of colander. Or you can find it online. I think I've seen it on eBay. So take care, everyone. Hope this is a handy tool for you.